Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Now I'm going to show you how you can make this simple New Year's Eve or anytime party arrangement. Really simple. So let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to do is take my Mini Bowdabra and my Bowdabra Bow Wire, and I'm just going to cut a piece that's long enough that I can fold it in half and lay it down into the midi and just tuck the ends underneath so they stay out of the way. Then what I'm going to do is take the center of my ribbon and take the pretty side and put that down. I'm going to do my little mountain in the middle. And then I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to do a little fold there, just in the center. And that's going to let these two sides flop up. So there's my loop there. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side, where I'm going to do a little mountain in the middle. It's hard to see with the black, but we'll do a mountain in the middle and scrunch that down. And then I'll take my Bowdabra wand. Whoops, and I really did take my big Bowdabra wand. And I'm going to take this, pull this through my slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, pull it out. I'm going to separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and now I'm just going to tie a knot. And knot it, and then we'll double knot it. And I'll clip the ends. And then what I'm going to do is I have another piece of the same glitter princess ribbon, or princess glitter ribbon, and I'm going to just fold that in half, and I'm going to take my adhesive dot and just going to put that here on the back, and I'm going to bring this, start this here and stick it onto my dot, and then bring it around, and that will, so now we have our really, whoops, let's cut a little bit of this off. And stick that there. Maybe take another dot here. And now you have your beautiful little bow that will go on top of our vase. So the next thing that I'm going to do, I'm just going to lay my vase down here, and I'm going to take an adhesive dot, and let's move the camera out a little bit. There we go. Take my adhesive dot and lay that there. Then I'm going to take my ribbon, lay that there, and I'm just going to bring it all the way around. And I think what I'll do, just for good measure, is I'm going to add another dot right here. So that'll help it so it stays in place all the way around. And bring this all the way around here. It's actually sticking to the table. And now there we've got our bottom. And then what I'm going to do is take my bow, and I'm just going to stick the bow right here, and that will cover off the crease there. So then what I'm going to do is take my river rocks and put those down into the base to cover the base. Bring these all down in here. So we have just enough river rocks to give a little bit of covering in the vase. Now please don't forget, we have to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have over 950 how-to videos. So you'll have a lot of choices of what you can make. So we're just going to stick this down in here, and now we'll come to the front camera so you can see you have this beautiful, very elegant, I think I'm going to move this a little bit more to the side, very elegant orchid vase. So isn't that super simple? Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.